Welcome to today's video. It's not going to be too long. It's part of my effort to bring more recorded content to my channel than just live streams. Hey, look, guys. Everybody knows how I love the color pink. I found a pink hiking stick. Yeah. What a great color. You can see it a mile away. Of course, we're in Taiwan, so you can see it a kilometer and 600 meters away. Anyway, I'm testing out a water bottle to hydration system conversion kit. And this is by Source. I don't have the packaging with me. I'll show it to you later. But it's really cool. It works great. I'm carrying two bottles. They're huge. I haven't even hit the bottom of this one. It's about, halfway maybe. So, yeah. So I guess I drank about a liter of water so far. Okay. But there's a cap on it. Keeps it nice and clean. And there's a lanyard on the cap so you can't lose it. Got my flare calmers in my ears. Sorry about that. And so basically, I kind of wish this had some friction tape on it. There's no reason I can't add that. Because, my hands get sweaty when I'm hiking, man. But exercising in general. But you basically turn it to the left, okay? And it's a bite valve. And so like all these other bite valves, there's an optimum flow. So, if you don't bite it, nothing comes out. It's great. So, plus you got the cap anyway. My watch is constantly bugging. Yeah, workout paused, right. So you can get a very nice optimal flow. And what I like about this thing is it came with the standard cap. What is that, 26 millimeter, I think? I'll check it later. But it came with 3 other cap styles. It actually fits my regular water bottle. And the cool part about it is this cap here stays on and the other caps screw into it and then convert it. So it really is like a step up system. Really smart. I wouldn't mind sending up the drone though and getting some nice shots of this area. One thing I do like about Taiwan and their Central Aviation Administration is they produce an app called Drone Map. Wherever you are, you just click on the map. The only thing is you have to have internet connectivity, and then you select which map base you want, and then you press the location button and it zooms right in where you are. Now where I am, this is a 60 meter area. So I can fly all I want right over these. And the only thing that's red is the highway. That's way over there. And there's a military base over there. I'm far from that because in Taiwan, we're only allowed to fly 990 meters away from the control point. So that's no problem. So yeah, 200 feet, 60 meters. So who knows? I may just do it. I don't know. Hey guys, MJ here. Listen, we're back at the bunker with my 360. We're recording in video, so I'm gonna put the camera inside. I want to see what it looks like. So here we go. All right, you can see a long corn. Yeah. I don't know, maybe I should go down there sometime. We're going to go in from this side. And I think maybe just for good measure, we'll walk around and we'll look at the last. Well, actually, there's one over here. I think it's all the same, you know? Okay, that's great. And now that I got my arm all full of sticky seeds, that's what it looks like inside the bunker. Signing off. Bye-bye.